Here we are, Port Waikato, or Te Puaha o Waikato, brother.
Beautiful.
Otherwise known to the locals, P-dub. Good old P-dub.
P-dub.
Puaha Waikato, P-dub.
P-dub.
Here, kei konei, babe. Oh, kei konei, babe. Tatarawa ki te mānuka-nuka o Tangoro. So we'll come down here and just have a quick yarn around, the significance of this place and where these sheets travel to. So, to my understanding, within the 17 hapu around here, it was quite significant in terms of the number of signatories that were picked up here, babe.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It reminds me a little bit of Rarotonga. Just a little bit more nicer here. And ai ki ngā kōrero toru tekau marua, 32 signatures.
Oh,
one of the biggest signings, ai ki ngā kōrero.
Hei tāpuri atu ki tēnā tū, babe. One of the signatories for that paper, he wāhine.
Oh, kei reira te mana o te wāhine.
He mana wāhine. Mana tō te wāhine, mana anō te Tangoro, nā reira.
I mean, it's cool to come and see this area, knowing very well in the olden days it would have been a highway for waka, highway for different waka coming through here, and to kind of see what it is now. It's not as big and bustling as it used to be, but today we've got all the locals coming out to check us out, see what it's all about. Nui ngā hitori kone, a tāhua tēnei wai.
Nui rawa. Ahoy anō, kōrero anō kei reira. Waka.